Hi, I'm Bill Farmer. I'm the National Sales Leader for the Airgas Advanced Fabrication Team. This table is really for anybody, any industrial shop, any home shop, any school, because it's rugged, reliable, and priced right. We built this table because we wanted quality and consistency across the board for our customers. We tested and retested this machine. This table is packed with lots of industrial features, large motors. We have helical gear racks built like a tank. It's easy to set up, it's easy to install, easy to learn the software, and it's easy to operate. FlashCAD has been a tremendous partner for us. It's the only software out there with CAD, CAM, and CNC all built into the same software. And look, I'm not a big computer guy. If I can run it, anybody can run it. The RADNOR machine comes in two sizes, 4 foot by 4 foot and 4 foot by 8 foot. It's a compact footprint for a shop, and we also offer it without a plasma. We have these machines in stock. It can be shipped next day. This table is a great investment because of the network of support that Airgas provides. We have over 100 welding specialists and service technicians and 900 plus branch locations across the country.